How to uninstall system apps without root. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can fix and uninstall the system apps without root. But before we get started, make sure you head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Now let us jump right in. So if you have been getting a lot of bloated apps or bloatwares on your Android device and you can't uninstall them, there are quite a few workarounds you can do. So the very first and easy ones is that, let's say I have these Samsung apps that I'm not able to uninstall. As you can see here, even if I go ahead and long press on it, go to app info, there is no option to uninstall it. And in some cases, you can disable the app, but if you're not able to disable it, then in that case, what you need to do is basically you can hide the app on your Android device. So you can do that by going over to the settings on your home screen, tap on the settings at the bottom right, and then from here, go ahead and tap on hide apps on home and app screens. Then go ahead and search for the app at the top right. I can just tap on the search icon and search for news. Tap on it, tap on done. Now you've successfully hidden the app. And as you can see, I'm not able to find it anymore here. So that's the first method, is hiding. And in some cases, some apps are granted the admin permission on your Android device, so you're not even able to disable or uninstall them. In that case, you need to go over to settings menu, then go ahead and find the app and go to privacy and security. So go ahead and tap on security, and from here you need to go over to more security settings, and then you should be able to find the device admin apps. Tap on it, and if you find the device any other app that has been granted the admin permission, then you need to go ahead and disable this like this and then tap on deactivate. Now once you have done that, you should be able to uninstall them or just basically disable them. And that's it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.